In this video, I will explain how you can use the Mergy Chrome extension with simple use case scenarios. My new library doesn't have a README file, so I use the Mergy extension. If you are new, the settings page will welcome you. You can set folder and extension filters via settings. You need to get a GitHub personal access token by following the provided link. It's quite simple. When you click the Start Fetching Files button, Mergy will retrieve all the files in the GitHub repo and apply your filter rules. It will order files by size, allowing you to manually exclude any you don't want in your knowledge file. For example, I don't want this sample knowledge base file in my knowledge text. Now, you can click the Combine and Download button. This will merge all files into a single file and optimize them to use fewer tokens. You can use this knowledge file in Claude projects or in the Mergy client app. I need to create a README file for my Mergy client app. I will read it very carefully and use it in my repository as the README file. Now we're going to do something else. I want to change something in the Mergy extension source code. I think .txt files should be excluded by default. But imagine, I don't have any knowledge about this extension's source code, and Claude doesn't know about it either, because it might be a private repo or it was just released yesterday. So I click the Mergy extension, click the Start Fetching All Files button, and then the Download button. I gave this knowledge text to the Mergy client app. On my first try, it didn't understand my intention to change the source code. Instead, it told me how to do this via the UI. But no worries, I just told it I needed to change the source code. Since Mergy Client has chat history support, it can understand what I asked previously and reply with the correct response. I will ask for more details on how I can make the changes just to show off that we can keep chat history data. If you need any real-world scenarios, I created this client app using Mergy. I downloaded the Mergy extension repo and the Betalgo Anthropic.net SDK repo with Mergy. Then, I asked Claude to create a client app using the knowledge file. It created this client app for me. Isn't that cool? This is the end of the video. You can find more details in the GitHub repo. Search for Betalgo/Mergy. Bye.